You guys, we're at Big Falls. Can you believe it? Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Karelia and welcome to my channel. Guys, I was literally super shy to start the vlog in the bus. Like I was like, not gonna start the vlog. So we just had a little pit stop. We got to use the bathroom and buy some snacks, and we're on our way to Karelia. So join me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And yeah. So let me explain to you guys what's happening. Now of course Natasha's laughing at me, but anyway, so we are going to Karelia. Karelia is basically, Natasha, where's Karelia? It's by the border of Finland, né? Yeah, so right now there's our bus actually. Right now we stopped by this very cool place. There are the tanks. There's a tank over there. And yeah, we're just stopping. The tour guide is gonna tell us about this place. I have no idea what this is or what it's all about, but this is where we are, and when we're done here we will continue on our journey to Karelia. I'm with Miss Content Creator over here. Of course we need to get this. Because also this lady is just speaking in Russian, so we don't know what she's saying. Like, not really. Because she's using the deep technical Russian, so it's just like, we're just here for the vibes. So this is the, what is it called?
Karelia Fortress.
Karelia Fortress?
Because Karelia is the name of the tribes, ancient tribes
who
lived here. In the 7th century, they built the first fortress here on this island.
Yeah.
And then Swedes in 1611 occupied this territory and rebuilt the fortress.
Oh wow, okay.
Because this territory, huge one, and where we are going further down, belonged to Sweden for 100 years, then to Finland and the Russian Empire. All the time fighting. Wow. But today you can see the Swedish fortress. It was renovated after the war, and this didn't survive. It doesn't exist.
Wow, okay.
And so now nice. You can go around, take photos, and then at 10 o'clock be back in the bus.
Okay.
Get around, and then you see the way to the bus.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. So guys, this is the fortress we're talking about. The one that was being fought for. First there was Sweden, then Finland, then Russia. It's right there. I'll give you guys a proper view of it now. But sun-kissed. Wow, it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. I love being a tourist and being curious. Like, what is this? This is so nice. And they have cameras. Wow. Okay, let me give you guys a proper view. Is it dark? I'm trying to take pictures and it's like the lighting is not in our favor because that view is nice. Guys, that fortress, there it is. Everybody's just living life, doing the most. It's cold, and I'm wearing shorts. I'm hoping that the weather does not prosper because wow, there's a lot going on here. There really is. But yeah, so we were in the bus for 2 hours from 7 till 9. Then we had a stop nyana by the, it's like a pit stop. It's like by the engine.
I was thinking Shell. The petrol station.
Yes, the petrol station shops, guys. Yeah, those ones. And then we used the bathroom and you bought a snack. And then now we stopped by this place. The tour guide wanted to show us this place. And then we're on our way, walking back to the bus. And then we will be on our way to Karelia. I think it's another 2 hours. So the total duration of the journey is 4 hours. And yeah, guys, I did not sleep. 4 hours, guys. And whole time last night I did not sleep. Like I could not sleep. I probably fell asleep at like 2 a.m. and then I had to be up by 5. So I'm kind of tired, but you know what? We're doing, and I can't fall asleep in the bus. That's the thing. Like Natasha's telling me, yeah, and she has.
Sit down, I'm out.
I wish I was like that, but nah, I'm struggling to fall asleep. But anyway, we'll catch you guys when we're in Karelia. Bye. Guys, another pit stop. I have no idea why it's raining. Like, thank goodness I brought this hoodie. Then I wasn't gonna bring it. I literally was gonna leave it behind. Imagine. Oh my goodness, but it's so nice and pretty. What are we doing? I don't even know what we're doing here. They're like, oh okay, and there are souvenirs over there, and it's raining. Yeah, that's what I like about Russia. Have you noticed that it never rains, like pouring? Gonna if it was Botswana, yes, it would be wet by now. But anyway, yeah, I hope so. It's just killing the vibe. The weather is killing my vibe. But anyway, let's see the most. Guys, so it is currently 12 o'clock. And we stopped by, I'm so shy, oh my gosh. Anyway, whatever. We stopped by this restaurant to grab something to eat. So yeah, and it has a very nice view of the river. So it's so pretty. Yeah. It's cabbage. I think it's cabbage. For a main course, we're having rice and more cabbage. There's no oh namaki. Yeah, okay, what's that, guys? Yeah, but what about nama, guys? It's hot. It tastes like a home cooked meal, though. I like the fact that it tastes homey. Having lunch, and where's everyone? The food was mid, 5 out of 10. 5 is too much. Yeah, 5 is okay. I think the food was a 5 out of 10. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the bus. Guys, I'm so full. I am literally it's really raining. Anyway, let's go to the bus. The weather is such an enemy of progress. Like, honestly, I can't. Like, why must it be raining? Look at the waterfall. Oh my gosh. The weather was better, but yeah, it's like big falls 2.0. Big falls in the house. Literally, guys, we're at Big Falls. Can you believe it? On the bridge, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so wiggly. Oh, this is kind of scary. Oh my goodness. Guys, that thing is super wiggly and so much fun. Oh my goodness. Fun. This thing has. Oh. That was super fun. It's super wiggly. hopefully by the time we get to the actual place, the sun is out and we can enjoy, because this rain is not cute at all. It needs to stop. Stop. Okay. Guys, doesn't this look like froth? Oh my gosh. Why does it look like this? Anywho, hi. And guys, yeah, if you know, you know. We're still touring the park. It's so beautiful, it's really nice, and yeah, please pray that the weather stops misbehaving, because it's not cute. shock to some of us at all. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's go. So behind me, it's a marble canyon. It's called Ruskeala, something like that. I don't even know. Ruskeala Marble Canyon, and it's basically from over 400 years ago. It first belonged to Sweden, and then after the war, I think it was called the Northern War in 1721. That is when it was handed over to Russia, and we get to benefit like this. So yeah. And if we come up close, you can see like holes over there. So they basically drilled holes so that they could make it so that they what? Yeah, so that they could fill in gunpowder in there. And yeah, fun history lesson for you guys. You're welcome. Oh, yes. Guys, we're just talking about how every time Natasha and I try to go out, every time, literally, I don't care if it's summer or whatever, it always decides to rain. Like the time we went to the amusement park, it decided to rain. When was the other time? Oh yeah, football match too. Like it was extremely cold. It didn't rain, but it was extremely cold. Oh my gosh. And today, now look at us guys, and we are soaking like it would. Like why you gonna do us like this? Like for real guys, it's just hiking in the we're literally hiking in the rain in shorts. In shorts. At least now you're wearing like oh yeah, she's wearing like open shoes. There's a lot going on guys. We really did not think the weather was gonna do us this dirty, because I feel like St. Petersburg weather was fine.
No, it was cold, but it was,
yeah, St. Petersburg weather was super fine. And Rona, we were like, okay, it must be warmer where we're going, because our city is super, like the weather there is just crazy, unpredictable, crazy. So we came here. I wasn't gonna bring a hoodie, right? So we came here and we're like, yeah, it's gonna be nice and hot. People are living their best lives there. It's not St. Petersburg, it's nice and hot. Until we left nice weather to come here. Imagine. But anyway guys, we're gonna enjoy nevertheless. Is that a quarry? I think it is a quarry. Let me show you guys. Ooh. Okay, this reminds me of Pale Hill. Remember, you know that point where you stop and you see, yeah. Okay. Oh, there's the train. Nice. Anyway, we're walking back to the bus because we're done. You know, we really are super upset at the fact that the weather wasn't doing us justice. You know, we're just talking about how we would have had a really good time if the weather decided to cooperate. But you know what? Nevertheless, we had a good time anyway. I'm super wet, like oh my goodness, I hope I don't get sick because wow. Anyway, so yeah, the buses are all here. Bus. And yeah, we're gonna be on our way back to St. Petersburg in about 30 minutes. It's 4:30 right now. So yeah, it's better to just go into the bus and be warm, because the weather there is so dirty. I'm so upset. I'm really upset. But it's fine. It's really fine. So yeah, let's go back to St. P. I just want to go home. Like for real, I'm over it. But anyway. It is currently 11 o'clock and we just arrived. And the weather's so much better in Sydney. Imagine guys, the weather in St. P is actually really amazing right now. Imagine. It's not even cold at all. So it's such a bummer. But anyway, we are on our way to the metro to go back home. So yeah, that is the but there's so many people. It's like it's not even 11 o'clock. The city does not sleep. It does not sleep. But anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this vlog. Please like and subscribe if you're not yet. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.